Hello, my name is Simone and I'm a librarian with the Sonoma County Library. So excited to have you join me today for our Do-It-Yourself series, where I will be showing you how to create a miniature wooden lap loom, sort of similar to this. So to get started, some of the things you will need, either a wooden, simple wooden picture frame from the craft store, or in my case, I am using this stretched canvas. You will need nails, a hammer, a ruler, and a pencil. So for me, I'm going to remove the staples and canvas from my frame. So why don't I go ahead and do that? And I'm going to use a combination of pliers and a miniature screwdriver. Okay, so now that my frame is free from the canvas, I can start deciding how I want the nails to be placed. So what's funny is I kind of like the back with all the holes and the printing and stuff, but I guess I'll do it from the front. The front is slightly beveled, but that's okay. So what I'm going to do now is take my ruler, and I'm using the centimeter side, and I'm just going to measure slightly down from the lip of the opening the distance that I want my items to be. And so this frame is 5 by 7, and obviously this hole is a lot smaller. But I think what I'm going to do is just using my pencil, mark in 1/2 centimeter increments the placement of my nails. And using a ruler is nice because it helps you, kind of keep things in a straight line. So I've done that on the bottom, and now I'll do it on the top as well. And again, I'm not being super precise, but I am, let's see, there we go, that's a little bit better. Yeah, I've picked a place, I've just started marking. Okay, there we go, I like that better. Like I said, I have chosen every 1/2 centimeter, but as you're marking this out, you can certainly decide the distance in between the nails, what looks best. Alrighty, so I've got those marked, which hopefully you can see top and bottom. And now comes the fun part, getting to knock the nails into the frame with my hammer. So I think I'll do that off camera just so there aren't a bunch of loud banging sounds, but I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done. Okay, here's the finished product. Got the nails hammered in, and now it's just ready to be warped like the frame behind it. Thank you so much for joining me today for this do-it-yourself mini lap loom tutorial, I suppose. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more from Sonoma County Library. And if you made this loom and you started a weaving project, I would love to see it. So please share it on the Sonoma County Library Facebook page or the Central Facebook page or Instagram or some sort of social media and tag us. Like I said, I'd love to see it. All right. Thank you so much.